Hello everyone, welcome back to FX 20 Pips. Today is Monday, the 23rd of January 2023 at about 2:56 p.m. My time GMT +8. This video is about the pre-London session. London session will open in about 1 hour and 3 minutes. Okay, but before that, in 3 minutes, we will have the Frankfurt market opening. So the chart we have here is again GBPUSD. We start to look at the 8 hours time frame chart. Okay, I have previously, rather yesterday, talk about the GBPUSD weekly analysis. So you may want to have a look at that one. Okay, I'll put a link somewhere up here if you want to look for the weekly analysis. But right now, I am just going to concentrate on talking about the pre-London session for Monday. Okay, so at the 8 hours chart, every candle, of course, is 8 hours. What we can see here, this is the start of the week, and this is Monday. You can see the first 8 hours candle is a bullish one. It went past the previous 8 hours, and I have mentioned it touches the resistance here that was created on 14 December, and it reached this price. And we are, of course, are expecting a resistance where there will be sellers and the price come back down. So this is the 8 hours, and we are on the second 8 hours, which is also at this stage look like a bearish one. Okay, with some sellers, some buyers coming in. Right, the next thing I'm going to look at is the 8 hours candle box. We can see that this 8 hour box is still valid here based on this previous 8 hours candle. Okay, all the candles here, here are all within the range of this massive bearish candle. So price attempt to break out of the 8 hour box, hit the resistance, come back in again. Now we shall see how motivated the buyers are to break out of this box again. And do they see a follow through candle to break out above this level? All right. So this is for this week. Now, I have also marked out the inside bar of the daily. All right. And obviously price has attempted to same thing, cross it, came back down again. All right. Now let's go to the 4 hours time frame. There we go. I'm just going to hide away this 8 hour candle box. Open up the 4 hours one. This was the previous one, so I believe we have a new one. Okay, because this was the previous one. Price breakout, price continuous go up, and price same thing rejected there, come back in, and now it's hovering around here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to box up this candle again. All right, because all these candles are inside these bullish candles. Okay, so I was just going to move this here to the current 4 hour candle, right? And I got price trapped in this 4-hour box. Okay, simple. Let's go to 1 hour. Now 1 hour, I like to have a look at more details. Okay, so what I can see is N wave. Okay, even though this did not breach here, but it's still an N wave, and here it broke through the previous high. So when I see N wave, I like to use fib, okay, to draw the low and high so that I can sort of see something which I may relate to previous experiences. So I see a low here, a high here. Okay, I like to use the both end. Okay, what I'm seeing is price go up, touches this area, and price is now going up. Okay, so this may be one big one, and usually like what on my many previous video, if price retrace from here, rebounds back up, it will. There's a higher probability. Okay, it's not confirmed. The higher probability that price will reach these two levels. Okay, at the same time, so at the same time, I can also see another one, which is okay. I'm just going to keep this one here. Here we go. All right. So another one is the low of here to the high of here. Okay. As you can see for this smaller inner N wave, this is the low, this is the high. Price bounce around this area. Let me just expand the fib. Open. Okay. Price was at this level, the blue one, and it went up to cross this level, touches this level, and now it's a little bit retraced and going up. Okay, it's fib is something that I would use it to have a forward looking of the N wave. Okay, so it give me an idea of okay where price might try to go for or to reach it, and then basically give me a better idea of the trend of the price. Okay, so I don't need this anymore. I got the idea. I can delete this away. All right. I can also look at the block. Okay, these are the minor block that I drew when I spoke about it in my previous video. I will find the video and again put a link here. That video will explain how I find this mini block. All right. I believe I drew the box or the block at the 5 minute chart. Yes, the block was drawn on this 5 minutes because I was referring to this and I was referring to this. Yeah, I'm not going to repeat everything again. I'll put the link of the video, and then you can refer to it, see how I come up with this block. Um, Basically, you can see that there was a first attempt, reaches block, and then it goes down without breaking any structure. Okay, that's why I said previously that this will be a very minor block. price went up. Okay, hit this one, immediately it has a reaction. Okay, it forces the price to go into a bearish end wave, breaking minor structure, but not the main one. Okay, based on what we can see. Okay, and then price shot up, hit the resistance, get forced down again. Okay, and surprise, surprise, where is price being supported? At this block. Okay, went up, come down, supported at this area, this block. Right. So now, what are we looking for next? I am going to remove the block, hide it away. I'm going back to the 1 hour. Okay, I like to chart it on the 1 hour, and so I'm just trying to see using fib again how far this leg will retrace, right? Okay, so you want to see retracement, you use a fib. Come here, I put a low here, I put a high there. Okay, I see the golden zone here. All right, so what I'll do is I will draw my golden zone box. It's an area where I am interested in. Okay, so basically give me the idea that price might retraces here because this will be a 50%. Okay, about 50% here, 61 point. It will retrace here, and there should be some support here. Buyers usually like to buy on the 50%. Okay, as it's more affordable to buy here than here. Okay, so higher probability, buyers will be here to push the price up. And also I have the 50 SMA here. Okay, so this one might stay around here, and then maybe price touch here and go up again. Probability, yes. I have also thought about this could be a double top. Okay, can price come back down here? Of course, price can do that too. All right. Now, if the double top fails, price might come down here and went back up again. Okay, so there are probability of price going up or down. And how do we trade? Well, we just have to follow the candles. Okay, so in addition to fib, I will draw the my buy zone and sell zone. Okay, so let me have a look first. Right, I might just put my buy zone here to here. Let me check this. I might just put it higher here. Okay, so this could be my buy zone. Where is it? No text. Put it here up to Monday midnight. Let's see how wide this is. About 12 pips. Well, it is what it is, isn't it? Anything I can see. Do you want to go up here? No, I wouldn't want to. This would be the latest. It could be bigger, smaller. Yeah, I think that's fine. I just leave it as that. That's my buy area. I'm still back at 1 hour, so let's look for my sell area. straightforward. I can, yeah, two possible of sell areas. I think to play safe, I'll just put it here. Let me just, I have to look, I like to look the shape of this zone before I decide whether I like it or not. And when I say whether I like it or not, that's true. It's really down to my own personal preference based on the experiences I had in drawing this. Okay, so I'm quite happy with this 4 pits cell zone. All right, I could have put one here with the assumption that price is not going to get further down here from the Asia session. Okay, so you could have cell zone 1 here, cell 2 here. Okay, you could do it, but then I try to capture it within the day. This is the day range. So currently the top is here, the bottom is here. Okay, so the idea is that during Asia session, if the price don't go up here, no point buying. If the price don't go down here, no point selling, because the low for today and high for rather the low for the Asia session and the high for the Asia session are here. Okay, so at this stage I'm not going to include this one first. All right, because if I would put here and I start selling, I know that I will get hit. Very high chance to get hit by this golden zone and price will bounce up. So why do I sell? All right, so I much prefer this one, this zone here, right? And yeah, this is just how I look at it. Okay, doesn't mean that price come down here, I'll start selling. No, okay, because if price is bullish, I'll just wait for the buy opportunity. All right, but just to show you that how I'm looking at the chart, pre-London session. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one. Okay, so this is what I do. Can I draw a trend line? Can. Okay, I'm not going to. Right. I mean, I have some trend lines here. Okay. Previously that I had already drawn. Price is still above the trend line. Okay, I have another one here. Yep, this is all right. There is the higher time frame trend line. Yep. Okay, this is the weekly time frame trend line. Okay, this is the 1 hour trend line. Okay, so hopefully price just keep going up, hit this one. Okay, which is about the round figure here. Then we might see some drop in price before it go up again. That's that's coming into what, February already. All right, I don't want to go on too much on that. That's on a higher time frame. Let's stick back to a pre-London one. Okay, just gonna remove this one. Yep. What else can I show you? Channel. Let's look at the channel. Do I have some other channels here? This one. Yep. Okay. So on this lower time frame, the channel is still bullish. Price is still within here. Okay. Not going to worry about this one. This is just a overshoot on a higher time frame. So where are we in terms of the channel? Okay. There's still room to move. Okay, if price manage to break through here, retest it. All right, price is able to go up, then you are actually looking at the top of the channel. All right. Um. Okay. I guess in the lower time frame, that's as much as I can say. All right. So let's wait for London to open and then look at how the candle move, and then we will react from there. Okay. Let me just look through if I miss out anything. No. It's 4 hour. Get the box. 8 hours. Okay. I'll leave the 4 hours there. The channel I can hide it away. Okay, I already have the idea. 4 hour range is there, zone is there. Yep. Okay. All right. So that's all for today for this pre-London session. Okay. Let's see you again. Thank you.